Hi guys, this is item A0397, another beautiful metallic gold trim that we have. These are super hot right now. It's got a very Victorian kind of feel to it. It's super soft. Let's take a look. So this trim is small. It's just about 1 inch wide, a little more than an inch. It's got these mini scallops at the top, this flat line right here for easy sewing, and you've got slightly deeper scallops at the bottom. You can use this for a baby bonnet. You can use this as a garter, kind of going around. It does have a little metallic in it, but it's not too stiff. It's still super soft. You can starch this as well, and it'll give you that crown effect. You could just take a little bit, starch it in the shape that you want, sew it on first, and just like that, you can create a little crown. You want to wash this by hand. It does have polyester in it, so don't apply too much heat. Comment in the videos below and let us know what you guys use it for.